Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in the backyard, and what I want to do today is to fix some issues with my grass, with my lawn. And let me show you. This is the corner of my lawn. The problem is my automatic lawnmower will get stuck somewhere here, then the tires will spin and it will remove all the soil. So what I did is get an artificial grass for this place, which we will install now. Join me. I built myself a little desk out here that I can walk with this. This is the artificial hybrid lawn. What it exactly is that it's a net made of fabrics which will degrade. Even this one here, this artificial grass, will degrade over time. So what we do now is I cut it on the size we need here, then place it in with some new soil. So I will cut it here, then place it in here with some new soil completely to the edges, and then put new seed so that the grass can grow out in between and under, and then it should look like original grass. And because it's reinforced, the lawnmower will not be able to dig under anymore. So let's do the cutting first. In order to not waste too much material, because I have actually 3 spots at my garden which have the same issue, I will measure exactly and then cut it out. So I would say here 60, 70, 80 to 80. It's a little bit bigger than I wanted actually. First we have to choose where we put it. That's not hard to choose. Here complete to the corner everywhere. Then I can start with the cutting. Then here, this is a water outlet, which I will still need, so we have to cut around it. Then we have to cut the ground a little bit. Not too deep, because here somewhere is the lawnmower's wire also, which I should not cut, preferably. There's the wire. We put this grass in. They call it grass plaster, so to actually repair the damaged grass, which should actually fit here perfectly. If you look inside, it comes with soil and seeds together, and that's what we will put here now. Therefore I take this away again. Let's see if we get here down enough. Yeah, should be okay. Generously apply, especially here where I put new soil, or remove the grass That should be enough. We have these nails which came with it and the hammer to pin everything down. Start in this corner. So sooner or later the grass from under will grow through and the net will disappear. So that should be it. And now the last thing to do is to check if the lawnmower can actually drive over it. So started it. Starting the blades and off you go. There's a wire at the edge of the garden around and the robot follows that wire, so I know it will go over that patch we just fixed. So this is the test. Let's see if it can drive over this artificial grass without getting stuck. You can see the tires are still filled with mud from last year, but it will go off by itself. And the first turn went well. Later I will do the other corners, but let him just cut down the grass a little bit now. I will go and water it now. Don't think there's a need to show you on video how to spray water. So thank you for joining in. Hope you liked the video. Leave me some comment below. Tell me what I did wrong or what I could have done better. I'm eager to learn. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Wish you all the best. Till next time. Bye bye.